Hey everyone, it's me Anna. Today I'm going to do another Animal Jam video because I haven't done one of these in a long time, so yeah. So today I'm going to be doing a inventory tour, so yeah. But first I'm going to do a den tour. So here's the first part of my den, which is actually this shed. And like it has the portal and everything. And then since I got a membership, I got all the painters stuff. And if you're wondering, like, why did your membership expire? It's just because I didn't have my membership for that long. So, yeah. And here's this other part of my den. And then here's like a little octopus rug. But, yeah, first I'm going to be doing an inventory tour. So, yeah. So, for my hat, I have this Freedom Mask. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Okay, Phantom Mask, Rare Pumpkin Head, and then like this stuff. I really like the eye patch for some reason. I don't know, but I like my top hat more. And my top hat, I traded a lot for this. And then my three ram. I keep on saying ram. Okay, goat horns, and then my gazelle horns, my freedom hats, my painter's hat. And just some random stuff like icicle horn, butterfly glasses, rare out of Mondays, and this DJ thing. I don't know, Club Geo's hat, I don't know. And then more rare item Mondays, and then a furry hat, and then feather mask and epic dragon skull, and just some random store-bought items here. And then right for my neck items, I don't have that much, so I have this ribbon scarf, this silk scarf, this painter's necklace, this ice amulet, this rare sparkly bow, which I think is a rare item Monday, I don't know, and then mustache, striped double bow tie, and leaf necklace. Some of this stuff I just had for a while and I never really got rid of, I guess, and traded away. And then for my back items / waist items, I think this is rare item Monday, I don't know. And then I have hula skirt, spring mech, angel wings, and fairy wings. And then I have all of my wings or dragon wings, since I play Animal Jam play wild, but dragon wings I guess. And then painters stuff, and then my mech angel wings, and my ice armor. I really like this for some reason. I just love ice armor. Okay. But anyways, then I have my epic dragon wings, my rare blanket, and just some other rare item Mondays. So, yeah. And then for my shoes, I have a pearl bracelet, painter's palette, ice gauntlets, elf bracelets, spike wristbands, and just some store-bought stuff. And then for my tail stuff, I just have these things from the diamond shop because I don't really have that much tail stuff, but yeah, there's all my stuff. It wasn't that long, but now I'm going to just, I don't know. Okay, well, I was late to the update, and I kind of missed the update, but anyways, spirit armor, beach house, summer items, and all this stuff that I missed. And then Team Direwolf hats, and then Team Direwolf or Sabertooth. So we also had this in Animal Jam Play Wild, and direwolves. Okay, so I think I'm gonna buy a couple new animals because I have snow leopard, toucan. I haven't customized this one yet, so maybe I should. But I have a lemur. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, so let me customize this one. I think I'm gonna make it into a pink theme. That'll be cute. Or just like a plain spring theme. I don't know. That looks really cute. That looks really good. Okay. Why do things look so good on lemurs? Okay. Oh my gosh, everything looks so good. Oh my freaking, everything looks so good. I think I'm gonna go to the diamond shop and buy some stuff because I'm bored. But, and also because I have a lot of gems, I meant sapphires, oh my gosh, I keep on saying sapphires, but, I have a lot of stuff, but let's go to the diamond shop, but I want to go to an empty world, so I'm gonna go Tigress. Yay, it's empty, okay. And then I'm gonna go into the diamond shop, because I hate when the game lags when I'm recording a video, it just bothers me so much. But hopefully nobody's in the diamond shop. Okay. Okay then. Is this the enchanted eagle? I don't really like the eagles, I only like the falcons. The sheep! I'm gonna get the sheep. I love the sheep. Okay, so what am I gonna name the sheep? Precious, silly, potato. Great. Perfect. I'm the most precious, silly potato. I can't talk. Okay, but I got the sheep. Okay, so I'm gonna change my look because I just got the sheep and I'm so happy. I love the sheep. The sheep is so cute in this game. Okay, hold on, I messed up. Sorry, my recorder messed up there, but oh my gosh. Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. Nothing else. That's perfect. Okay. All these people are so rare. Okay. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Actually no, I shouldn't end it here. Okay. I think I'm gonna buy some more animals. I love the animals in this animal gym. Wait, hold on. Okay, I was about to say there's way more animals. I don't really want any of those animals. I think I'm gonna just get the falcon. The falcon is so good. Yeah, I like Swift. Swift. Amusing. I don't think it would make sense if I used Paula. I think I'm gonna use Potato again. Swift, amusing, and Potato. Okay. I'm a falcon! Yay! Let me see what this person has on trade. Yeah, necklaces. That's what I thought. I don't understand how these people succeed at those challenges. Or if they're just fake that they're recording. That's cute. I think you can get that in treasure hunts. I'm not sure. But you kidding me? Okay. But I'm gonna customize my falcon. Because I'm bored. So that won't make sense. Ooh. Okay. Let me go to head items. I'm gonna try ram horns. Oh my gosh. Those look horrible. No offense. What about this? Yeah, that looks pretty good. I think my falcon's gonna be a wizard potato. The tie. Yes. Or maybe this. Man, I like the tie better. How about this rare blanket? I've never actually worn that, so let's try it. But I love these wings for some reason, but let me use the rare blanket. Wait, no, what about the ice armor? Yes, okay. Obviously gonna wear my spike wristband. And do falcons even have tails? I'll try that. Wait, hold on. I'll try this. It doesn't even look like it's showing up. Okay. Let's see how this looks. And yes, I know you can change your colors, but I like the colors that it has on now. So I know this one adventure. I forgot what it's called though. It was like this one adventure where you can I swore it was this one adventure other than the Forgotten Desert that you can get items in. I think it was a Great Escape. I don't think so though. I don't know, but I don't want it to lag in the Forgotten Desert and crash my computer, but thank you guys for watching! See you guys later. Hold on, let me go to my den. Okay. I'll see you guys later. Bye.